Today I am going to share with you one of the easiest way to get rich and amazing skin tone in Photoshop. Let's get started by making selection of the skin. Go to select, then color range. Make sure that you have select sample colors. We are not go with skin tone because skin tone neglects some areas of the skin. Check here, there are some black color areas which are not selected. Decrease the fuzziness. Choose the first eyedropper right there and just click on the one part of the skin. To see it, make sure you have selected selection plane. Great. Then select the plus eyedropper right there. Now we need to extend our selection. Just click and drag over the skin areas. We need to paint all of the skin tone. We need to paint all of the skin areas. Let's go and increase the fuzziness. In my opinion, somewhere around 50 is great. Hit OK once you are satisfied. Now click on the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Now I need you to enter this color code R255, green 46 and blue 1. We need to change blend mode from normal to linear light. Linear light is a special blend mode, so let's go with it. The specialty of linear light is that opacity and fill react differently. If you decrease the opacity, it just fades away. However, if you decrease the fill, just check, the projection is decreased. I am going to put fill between 1 to 10. Let's check before and after. Check the example number 2. Here is the before, here is the after. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in next video. Stay tuned and keep designing.